Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Summertime Pusheen on a pool floatie. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's start off by drawing the arm of the chair. Let's draw an angle on the bottom here. And then let's curve it down on each end. And then close it off at the bottom. Now on top of the arm here, let's draw a Pusheen. Let's start on top and let's draw a curve up. And then let's bring it down, a bump up, and another point up for the other ear. Now let's continue the body by angling it down and in. Now at the bottom, let's draw a bump up for the first foot. And then the next one next to the arm here. And close off the bottom with a curve across. Now let's hop in and let's draw Pusheen's face. Let's start at the top in between the ears and let's draw a bump down and up. And the same thing on each side. Now underneath, let's draw a bump for the middle of the glasses. Now on each side, let's draw a large U-shaped curve up. And then a curve across the top. Now inside, let's add a border. And let's color both of these in black. Now in between the sunglasses, let's draw two bumps for the mouth. And then we're going to hop out and draw two curves on each side for the whiskers. And that's it for the face. Now underneath, let's draw two bumps up for the hands. And then on the right side, we're going to draw two curves along the side here. And that's it for Pusheen. Now let's hop out and let's continue drawing the chair. On the right, let's draw a large curve up. Then let's angle it over to the left. And curve it back down. And then let's add another curve inside along the right here. Now for the bottom section, let's start next to Pusheen and let's draw an angle down. Curve it down to the bottom. And let's angle it over and down to the right side. Now from the bottom right, let's draw a small bump down and an angle across to close off the bottom. Now inside the chair, let's add a curve across in the bottom here. And then we're going to add a bump up underneath Pusheen's body. And one more coming out on the left. And that's it for the main part of the chair. Now on the left, let's add the drink. On the left side, let's start with a curve across. And then bring it up on each side. Now at the top, let's close it off with an oval. Now inside the cup, let's draw a curve across. Now let's add the straw. Let's start with 2 angles down inside. And a curve at the bottom. Now from the top, let's draw 2 angles up and over. And close off the end. Next, we're going to add an orange slice on the side of the cup. Let's start with an angle down. And a curve on top. Now inside, let's add another curve. A line down. And an angle on each side. And lastly, let's add a beach umbrella, starting with a line up, a curve on top, and another one on each side. Now let's angle it up on top, meeting at a point. And add 2 angles down inside. Now that we're done the drink, we can add the other arm of the chair. Let's start with an angle down. And continue it on the other side. And then curve it down and in at the bottom. Lastly, let's draw some water waves with a wavy line on each side like this. And that's it for Pusheen on a pool floatie. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!